In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add links to text, buttons, or phone numbers in Wix. Open your Wix Editor and double-click on text you want to link. Click on the link icon, this chain symbol, and select type of link. You can link to page on your site, external website, and anchor, or phone number. Choose whether to open it in the same window or new window. If link to another page, select page, and click on apply. To add in links to buttons, click on button you want to link. Similarly to text, click on link icon and choose where button should link, and then press apply. If you want to link email address, highlight email text, click on link icon, select email, and enter email address. You can also set pre-filled subject line, and then press apply. Also for linking phone number, highlight phone number text, click on link icon, select phone number, and enter number, and then press apply.